Flowers are lovely. Love is flower life. Friendship is a sheltering tree. Dear fellows, nature is always loving and caring. If you want to avoid your tensions, worries, depressions, so please spend some of your precious times in the company of nature. Go to the countryside, go to a lake, go to a park in order to make yourself happy and gay. Wordsworth was a great poet of nature, a great poet, a great romantic poet. All of his poetry is full of love of nature. He spent most of his time in the company of nature. When he was in depressive mood, he recalled the golden moments he spent in the company of nature. Nature is always caring, loving, so please make your life happy and gay. Spend some of your precious time in the company of nature. May Allah bless all of us.